In the fast-paced world of business, especially for freelancers, small businesses, and service-based professionals, managing finances efficiently is key to success. This isn't just about tracking income and expenses. It's also about streamlining interactions with clients. From sending invoices to receiving payments and answering questions, clear and convenient communication is paramount. This is where accounting software like FreshBooks steps in. A common and crucial question that often arises when considering such a tool is, does FreshBooks have a client portal? As an accounting software expert, I can confidently tell you, yes, FreshBooks absolutely has a client portal, and it's a feature that significantly enhances the client experience and streamlines your accounting workflows. A client portal within accounting software is essentially a secure, online gateway where your clients can access their financial information related to your business. Think of it as a personalized, digital workspace for each of your clients. Instead of relying solely on emails or phone calls for every invoice, payment, or question, a client portal centralizes these interactions, making them more efficient, transparent, and professional. What does the FreshBooks client portal offer? FreshBooks has designed its client portal with simplicity and client convenience in mind. Here's a breakdown of what your clients can typically do and what benefits it brings to your business. Invoice viewing and payment. This is arguably the most critical function. Through the FreshBooks client portal, your clients can easily view all their invoices, past and present. They can see what's due, what's been paid, and access detailed breakdowns of services or products. Crucially, they can also make payments directly through the portal using various online payment methods, like credit cards or bank transfers, depending on your setup. This drastically speeds up the payment process and reduces the need for manual chasing. Estimate and proposal management. Before a project even begins, you might send an estimate or a proposal. FreshBooks Client Portal allows clients to review these documents, leave comments, and even approve them with a simple click or e-signature. This eliminates the back and forth of email attachments and ensures clear acceptance before work commences. Once approved, you can often convert these directly into invoices within FreshBooks, further streamlining your workflow. Project collaboration and file sharing. For businesses that work on projects with clients, the FreshBooks portal often extends to project-level collaboration. You can create a space where clients can view project progress, share files like images, documents, or design mockups, and even communicate directly with you or your team about specific project tasks. This centralizes all project-related communication, preventing vital information from getting lost in email threads. Secure communication. The portal provides a secure channel for communication. Instead of sensitive financial discussions happening over potentially insecure email, the portal offers a more protected environment for messages and comments related to invoices, projects, or any financial query. This enhances data security and builds client trust. Access to payment history. Clients can access a complete history of their payments and invoices, giving them a clear record for their own financial tracking. This self-service capability reduces the number of inquiries you receive about past transactions. Real-time updates. When you update an invoice status, add a new expense to a project, or mark a payment as received, your clients can see these updates in real time within their portal. This transparency keeps everyone on the same page and reduces misunderstandings. Why is a client portal essential for your business? Having a client portal, particularly one as user-friendly as FreshBooks, offers significant advantages for your business. Faster payments and improved cash flow. By making it incredibly easy for clients to view and pay invoices, you dramatically reduce payment delays. This directly translates to improved cash flow for your business, which is vital for sustained operations and growth. Enhanced professionalism and trust. A dedicated client portal demonstrates professionalism and a commitment to clear communication. It provides a branded, organized space for client interactions, building trust and strengthening relationships. Reduced administrative burden. Imagine the time saved by not having to manually send invoice reminders, answer questions about payment statuses, or chase down approvals. The client portal automates much of this, freeing up your time for more strategic tasks. Improved communication and transparency. All communication, Invoices and project updates are centralized in one place. This minimizes miscommunication, ensures everyone has access to the latest information, and fosters a transparent working relationship. Better organization. For both you and your client, the portal provides a single source of truth for all financial interactions. This eliminates the need to dig through emails or paper files, making information retrieval quick and easy. Client self-service. Empowering clients to access information and take action on their own, like paying an invoice, leads to greater client satisfaction. They appreciate the convenience and control, and you benefit from fewer direct inquiries. Dispute reduction. With all details, including estimates, proposals, and project updates, accessible in one place, the likelihood of invoice disputes decreases. Clients can see exactly what they're being billed for and the journey of the work.